Hello friends, welcome back to Cad Practice. Today we are going to learn how to use counter flange command in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Go to new, take a part in sheet metal millimeter and go to create. Okay. Now go to 2D sketch and select the top plane where top is written and revolve it. Go to rectangle command and select the 2-point center rectangle. Select the midpoint and give the dimension 150, tab 150. Okay, now finish sketch and go to face command to generate a sheet and apply. Okay, the by default thickness of the sheet is 0.5 mm, so we will change the sheet thickness. Go to sheet metal defaults. Here the by default thickness is 0.5 mm. Uncheck this and here make it as 1 and apply. So the sheet thickness has increased. Okay, now take the front plane and go to 2D sketch and select this face. This will be the working face. Now go to line command, select this endpoint, make a rough sketch first. Okay, this one over here, here and outside. Okay, now go to dimensions, give this a dimension of 30. This distance, the horizontal distance will be 20. Similarly this as 30 and the horizontal distance will be 20. Okay, escape from this as it's deforming, so we will do this. Drag it, go to dimensions, give this a dimension of 40 mm and this line a dimension of 40 mm. The height of this will be 30 mm and this will be of 15 mm. So this will be the final profile on which will work. Escape, select this projected line and make it construction. Okay, now finish sketch. Now only what we have to do is, as it's only a single sketch and we want to make profiles on all 4 corners, go to counter flange. The sketch is selected. Now it will ask you the edges. Select this edge, select this edge, select the third edge, rotate the profile and select the fourth edge. Okay, the whole profile is made. A close profile and apply. Okay, now this profile is made. Now what we want to do is we want to create a flat pattern. So go to create flat pattern. This will be the flat pattern of this profile. From here you can calculate the amount of sheet required for making this. Now go back to the part. Yes. Okay, that was a small tutorial on how to use counter flange with only single sketch. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.